Jill. You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Clockwork doing what I do. I hope you're doing what you do. Don't let nobody tell you what you cannot do. But check it out. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you with it. I'm gonna hit you with it right now. I'm gonna hit you with it. You got excuses. Then you got adjustments. Some of you go out there in life making excuses for yourself. Straight cheating yourself. You're not treating yourself. You're out there complaining. You're quick to face the challenge and judge it off the appearance of it. Like, oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm not gonna try. I'm not gonna try. That's excuses. You're making excuses for yourself. You're cutting yourself short. You know what I'm saying? You're not valuing yourself. You got adjustments. Adjustments. You adjust to the situation. You adjust to your circumstances. You adjust. You make adjustments to better yourself. You know what I mean? It's easy to find an excuse. It's easy to just quit. You know, if you were gonna quit now, why you even start? Why start? You should have quit. You should have quit it way back before. You have come this far. You have not come this far to quit now. You have not come this far to find excuses now. You have come this far to continue to make adjustments. Adjustment. There's a great quote. I don't know who says it, but I have come across it in these last years that says, a true champion adjusts to any situation. I'm going to repeat that one more time. I'm going to repeat that one more time for you can wrap it around your head. A true champion adjusts to any situation. Now, I say a true champion, that doesn't mean that that only applies to a sport. No. That applies to life. That applies to being a family member. That applies to being an athlete. That applies in general, just in life. You're a champion. You're a champion. You need to stop finding excuses and make adjustments. Are you listening to me? Like, are you listening to me? Or you just one of these people that just hit likes and keep on going down without watching the video? I'm fine with that because I'm a victim of that. I do that sometimes, you know what I mean? I like it. I don't even look at the video till later on. I come across it again, then I look at it. You heard? But listen to what I'm going to say. Stop making excuses and start making adjustments. Stop complaining. Stop blaming others. Look yourself in the mirror. Stare yourself in the mirror. What's your vision? What's your why? You always go back to that. You always go back to the fundamental. You heard? Go to the platform that started your empire. What's your why? What's your reason? Don't find an excuse. Go back and find your why. Go back and find your reason and make an adjustment. You adjust. You adjust. You adjust. You adjust. Instead of making excuses. You're better than that. I'm here to tell you you're better than that. I'm here to tell you you got what it takes. If your boy Clockwork is doing it, I'm telling you, you know what? Forget about Clockwork. If your boy Mario Moran, I'm telling you, those that know me, they know where I come from. Those that know me, they know what I've been through. Those that know me, they know what bad habits I had. I'm telling you, man, you can do it too. You're great. You got great in you, man. You got it. I'm telling you, you got what it takes. I believe in you. I believe in you. You're beautiful. You're great. Tell yourself. Repeat after me. I am wise. I am great. Watch me take over today. I'm going to repeat that one more time. I'm going to leave it at that. I am wise. I am great. Watch me take over today. It's your boy Clockwork doing what I do. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to be a better you. Go do what you do. Don't let nobody tell you what you cannot do. Yeah.